Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers, and today I'm going to dive into your month at a glance. There's lots of different ways to set this up in your bullet journal, but essentially you can go to your index and you can find your month at a glance by looking for the first month. The month at a glance is always 2 pages in your journal. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump to January, which starts at page 10. So here I've landed on January. Okay, the idea of this is to get a quick, fresh glance at what you've got coming up in the month. So these might be important things. Here you can see the date and the actual day of the week. So we've got 01 starts on a Monday in 2018. It's the month of January. And here I've put in, I've got a bullet journal workshop coming up on the 8th. I've got a POC meeting, lunch and learns, a bunch of talks. Amelia and I are super busy with those things for the month of January. And then on the side page next to it, the next page is going to be my January tasks or brain dump. So essentially here, as things come up in January, maybe I'm not sure where it falls in my daily log, so I'm going to dump it all onto this page and have a good idea of what I can look at for the month coming up. When I reflect when this month is over, I can then decide, do these things belong going into February? Should I still do them? Are they important to me? Or are they something that I should push further into the year and put into my future log? So that's what a month at a glance looks like. You can draw this up in a number of different ways. You can make it look like a calendar. There's a lot of creativity that you can add behind these pages. You can also just make it very plain and simple and write something that primarily looks like this. This is my January, my minimalist version of the journal. So again, I've still got the numbers and the corresponding days of the week. I've added in a little bit of the content of what I've got coming up, and then I've just labeled very simply January tasks, and I've got the kind of the things that I've got going on moving forward.